Occasionally in Office 365, you might find yourself in a position where you'll need to actually delete a user. You want to get rid of that user. Maybe they've changed their location. They're no longer with your organization. For whatever reason, you created a user. That user didn't join the organization, but you ultimately need to get rid of that user. Let's go into the portal and see how you actually do that. So you're going to go in here and actually click on users from the admin portal. I'm going to go click on my active users. In the active users, you have the ability, I could select one user, I could select multiple users, but for now, let's go ahead and just click the one user. Let's say demo user here who actually doesn't even have a license yet, right? And I have the ability to go in and click on delete user. Now, when I do that, the one thing you want to pay attention to is what you're actually getting here, which is notice about what you're about to do. It says, hey, not only am I deleting the user, but their data is deleted and their license can then be assigned to another user, right? So I have the ability to go out there and their data is being deleted and I have their license freed up for use now in the environment. So I do have the ability to do that. But lucky for me, their data that's being deleted can be restored for up to 30 days. So I've got a month to recover that data. And when you say their data is being deleted, keep in mind what that means is their Exchange mailbox is going bye-bye, right? It's gone. Their OneDrive is no longer going to exist. So anything that they stored in their OneDrive will no longer be part of their actual environment. It's gone. Oftentimes, organizations, before they delete a user, will want to archive those things off. So you may want to put a process in place to take care of that before you delete the user. But once I delete the user, I freed up that license. We've gotten rid of that data. It's no longer in our environment. And I have 30 days if I wanted to come back and actually be able to recover that. Now I deleted one user. I could just as easily have selected a couple of users, like say for example the instructor here and Ellen. And I can go out there and actually say, well, I want to delete multiple users and do a bulk delete. So I can go out and select a bunch of users here and go ahead and again, their licenses will be available for us to use and their data will be gone. So I'll go ahead and I'll delete those two users, the instructor and Ellen. And now those users are also gone. So my portal's getting pretty empty. Lucky for me, I realized that was a mistake, right? I really did not intend to delete the instructor and Ellen. That was an accident. I have 30 days to recover that information, to recover those users. And it's just as simple as going into, under users, the deleted users container. I'm going to click on that. And what you'll see is there's the 3 users that we've deleted so far. But I can select Ellen and the instructor, and I can choose, to actually go out there. Let's just select Ellen initially. I can restore Ellen. Now, auto-generated password. Let me choose her password. Make this user change it. We'll go ahead and just give Ellen a temporary password and restore that. And we'll send that password off to Ethan Kane, so Ethan has access to that password, so he can forward it on to Ellen. And I also have the ability to come in here and select that instructor. And I can restore the instructor account as well. And again, we'll do an auto-generated password and send that off to Ethan. Right, we'll send that email and close. And now if I go back to my active users, right? Oops, my active users. Let's go back in there and see what's going on here. Let's refresh that. There we go. You can see Ellen and the instructor are both back. And that's how you can actually delete users but also recover them. But remember, it's a 30-day window. At day 31, that data is gone and it's not recoverable.